So, ganda niya. So, hi guys. So, naghanap ba kayo ng phone that won't break your wallet? So, sakto may bagong release si Huawei na mid-range phone. So, I have here the Huawei Nova 11i. Ito yung rendition ng Huawei of what a mid-range phone should be. So, una mag-unbox muna tayo. Ito yung box niya. When you open the box, una mo makita is yung phone, tapos yung manual niya, free case na jelly case, yung power adapter na fast charging, tsaka cable. So, buti pa yung Huawei, may kasama pa rin siyang charging brick. So, first thing I like about this phone is yung 6.8 inches niya na full view display. And I must say, ang nipis ng bezels ng phone niya. And so, ang bezel size 1.1mm lang. So, yung screen to body ratio niya is 94.9%, which is perfect siya for watching videos, playing games, or any multimedia consumption. So, next thing I like about this phone is yung 40 watts supercharged turbo charging feature niya, and then very lifesaver siya. So, there are times kasi na kunyari uuwi ako ng bahay, tapos so di ko charge yung phone ko. Tapos kinabukas ako na siya makikita. So, sakto dahil sa 40 watts supercharging niya. So, kaya niya maka 60% within 30 minutes. By the time na tapos na ako sa morning routine ko, sa pagligo, sa everything, full charge na siya. This will last me the whole day kasi nga 5,000 mAh yung battery nito. So, next na pag-usapan natin is yung